Alrighty folks, let's go. It's gonna be a different day today. I got my micro drone and I'm meeting up with Anton from Techado, and we're gonna do some shots today. I've got my GoPro, so this is just running my regular GoPro with the mic mod that I got like yesterday.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, brother?
How's it going?
Going on? Oh, with the Corona shake.
Yeah.
The Corona. I think it's always nice when you go out after like such a long time. This is our like local lake and park at the same time. You're not supposed to fly over people, so I'm not going to fly over people. We have to scout a location which is kind of out of people and everything. And this beautiful lake out here. I shot this last year. This lake looks amazing with their swans and everything. I just love it. Alrighty folks, finally flying time. This is the equipment that we are going to use, the Insta360go micro drone that we built on the channel. It's very small, and right now the lake is pretty empty. I've got like one boat around on that section. So the plan is this, that we are going to fly around that edge or corner, come through this. Anton is going to sit out here as he's going to be our human subject. We're going to go around the subject, get out. The only problem is this ghost branch, but I do not want to chop this ghost branch off. As you can see, I'll be flying over water, so we have to maintain a distance. And then there is a small fountain, so let's see if we can do a rip of the fountain or not. Just go ahead and do a small dive on that fountain, and let's check that out. Alright folks, so we flew in this section. It was my first pack and I was like a little bit concerned about the first pack. So we flew across this whole section. As you can see, I just finished like shooting the video, but our next section is going to be, you see those birds out there sitting out there? I'll see if I can take this as low as possible, but there is a little bit of wind going on, and for a 2.5-inch quad, wind is one of their biggest enemy. So the best thing is to do is try to keep as low as possible and get some shots about those birds that are sitting right in the middle. I will try, and if I lose the quad again, I'll lose the quad, because it's kind of my first experience of flying that 2.5-inch. And I was telling this is probably one of those best quads that you can actually build for oh, there's Techado out there. So say hi to Techado. He has been scouting with me. We have to scout the location. So we'll come back again. Let's do a second flight. So second flight rolls in.
FPV baby.